Now the NRA is engaging in a campaign, which is, I'm not unaccustomed to, of disinformation to try to scare people. Let me read some of the things they're saying about background checks. They say, quote, we, the federal government, want to put every private firearms transaction right under the thumb of the federal government and keep all those names in a massive federal registry. Kind of scary, man. Black helicopter crowd really is upset.
Yep, that's the view outside my window. Oh, there's another one coming in.
Knuckle Bump.